Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. I was recently asked about floral stamping plates from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I went over to Nail.supplies, the UK stockist of Clear Jelly Stamper, and I've purchased 2 floral stamping plates. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing CJS-LC-13 Rose's Floral Garden, and as always you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on, and please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual scraper and stamper along with my 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'm going to start with a yellow nail tip, and I'm going to be using 3 different stamping polishes, a white, an orange and a red. Not a combo I've done before, so let's see how this looks. I'll begin with the white. With these images it is working from left to right, which is very normal on how layering plates tend to work. Sometimes you get them where they go from right to left and also from up and down. It's just figuring out where to start really. Once I've laid the white, I'll then come in with the orange. Now I am trying out some new colour combos at the moment and I'm not sure if this is one I'll be using again. But after the orange I'll then finish off with the red. The flower is beautiful. This colour combo, not so much. For the next swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with 5 polishes. I can't decide on which green to use at the moment, but there is also a orange, a yellow and a red. So because of how I'm scraping this first layer, I'm turning the plate. So I've now decided that I'm going in with the darker green, so the lighter green I'll put to one side. I'm going to lay the yellow on the flower and the green on the stalk. This flower reminds me of a flower we have here in the UK called a red hot poker. It is a very cool flower. So once I've laid that combination down on its own, I think it looks really cool. I'll then turn the plate back around and my next layer will be the orange. Now yellow, orange and red really do make some very pretty layering flowers, and to be fair I do tend to use this colour combination quite a lot. Once the orange is laid I'll then finish with the red, and I absolutely love this flower. It is so pretty. I definitely want to make a mani using this. Not quite sure what else I would use with it though. For the next swatch I'll be using a pink nail tip along with 3 different stamping polishes, a pink, a purple and a metallic purple. For these large open space layers, they tend to be a little bit on the tricky side. I found that if it doesn't scrape well scraping one way, try scraping in a different direction. It is trial and error to find what works. I have found with Clear Jelly Stamper plates, scraping diagonally from left to right works for me. Once I've laid the pink down, I'll then come in with the purple. Now for the metallic purple I'm using in this swatch, it is a new polish to me. It featured in my last polish swatch review. It is such a pretty colour and works well layering against other purples. I've only used it a handful of times, so I'm still figuring out which colours to work with. But it is a beautiful flower, quite large though. But there is also a smaller version on the other side of the plate. For the next swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with 3 different green stamping polishes. Again I've turned the plate for this swatch for the leaves along the bottom. A lot of the time I will work light colours to dark colours. I don't often work the other way, so dark to light. Most of the time it is figuring out what colours work well together. That's why I like having a play around on nail tips and pop sticks before creating a mani. Also have a look at my Instagram photos or Clear Jelly Stamper's Instagram, and I quite often write down colour combos that I've seen other people use. It really does help. Now with this swatch I don't really know what went wrong. In person it doesn't quite look right, but it looks better on the photo swatches, but it's still a lovely pictured image to use though. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-LC-13 Roses Floral Garden. Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-LC-13 Roses Floral Garden really does create some very pretty floral images. In total, I've taken 23 swatches, and I love that there is small and large on some of the images. From the large 3 square images, I've taken 2 swatches. The pinky purple one, that's using all 3. For the open space, I blended 2 colours, a light pink and a darker pink, together. It is so very, very pretty. For the green, I've just used the 2 swirly images. I've used this also in my mani. If you're not confident on the large open space image, you can just use your base polish. I've done that many a times before. The blossom at the top, I've again done 2 different swatches. One where I've added the blossom to the branch, and then the other I've just created the 3 smaller blossom images. I adore this image, and again I have used it in my mani. There is just some really pretty designs to create some amazing floral manis. Some of the swatches you're seeing, they're not showing their best on camera. I was using some of the new metallic polishes that I've recently purchased, but in person they flash their metallic side when moved about, and they really do look amazing. I'm really excited to have some floral Clear Jelly Stamper plates in my collection. I've had plates where there's been the odd 1 or 2 images here and there, but not fully complete floral designs. In my next video, I will be sharing with you the other floral plate I purchased, and this is a new floral plate from Clear Jelly Stamper, as where this one is an older plate. It's also one of the floral plates that Clear Jelly Stamper collaborated with Talia's Nail Tales. She is absolutely amazing, and I love watching her channel and the manis she creates. Oh, they're just stunning. Definitely check out her channel. So for this mani, I used a pale yellow gel polish for the base, and I used a mix of stamping polishes, a orange, a metallic brown, a red and a burgundy. Now, as I said, I'm not 100% on this. I sort of feel that it looks quite messy. I actually thought they would work really well together, but I'm really not sure. It does show how all these colours work really well together when layered, but I do really like the swirly floral image that is on my thumb, middle and pinky. They are definitely my favourite. Let me know what you think about this mani. It'll be interesting to hear. I personally think it looks messy, but that's just me. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and you see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-LC-13 Roses Floral Garden. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.